Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Scorpio. Scorpio people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Scorpio, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Alright, Scorpio, Ace of Swords and, oh my god, Nine of Cups, okay, so Scorpio, this is your current energy and this is your partner's current energy. Okay, Scorpio, are you guys up to something? You want to start something new, you want to take an action towards something in life. Okay, it seems like you are ready to take certain action towards something in life. Okay, you are completely aware, or you have done your homework basically, that now I have to take action towards this direction and nobody can stop me. Or it could also happen for some of you, Scorpio, that universe is asking you to, or pushing you to take some action towards something. All right, universe is forcing you to take some actions, that hey, you have to do it, you have to do it, you should do it, you should do it. Perhaps you must be getting a lot of signs, perhaps you must be getting a lot of messages, or perhaps your person must be asking you to take action. This could also happen, Scorpio, for some of you, but perhaps your person wants you to take some action. Alright, so this is your current energy, Scorpio, and this is your partner's current energy, Nine of Cups. It seems like your person is going on a right way. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, your person is going on a right way basically. They want you to take action because they are, see, they have closed this door, they have closed their radar for everybody. They don't want to let anyone into their zone. They must be getting a lot of emotional proposals and all that, but you should be feel blessed because they are thinking about you, they want you, Scorpio. And I think that's their way to show their anger, show their frustration, that hey, why are you not taking any action towards me? I won't talk to you now, okay, or I won't do anything now, okay. You have to do something for this relationship, you have to do something for me, you have to give me something in this relationship, a solid promise, a commitment or something. And you are being, I don't know why you are not taking any action due to some of your XYZ reasons, but this thing is, torturing them basically, that's what I mean. But still they are, very, very calm. They have closed their heart. They don't want anybody else enter into their heart or into their territory as well. Okay, they are strong-headed person, that's what I feel. They are strong-headed person, and that's why, just because of them, you have started realizing this. Okay, my person is being angry, my person is not happy with my gestures and my actions. I have to start something new, I have to start taking actions. Okay, now let's see what is the mutual energy between Scorpio and their person. Slowing down. Scorpio, even though angels, universe, your person, your circumstances asking you to, or forcing you to take certain action towards this person or towards this relationship, but it seems like it's basically, this card is not for you specifically, Scorpio. This card goes for both of you, okay. And this card says that both of you are adopting, or both of you are going with a very slow pace, or both of you are taking this relationship on a very, very, very slow pace, okay. Or it could also happen, Scorpio, for some of you, that even, the moment you are getting this message, okay, you have to take some action towards me, you have to do something for this relationship, you have to give me some solid commitment, some promises and all that, and you will start, okay, now I have to do this and that and blah 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 blah. No, you are not advised to do that, because this card is asking you to slow down. You need to slow down, or else you have to face the consequences. Okay, perhaps you approach them, your approach might go wrong. Okay, what the way you are going to propose them, that might go wrong. Anything could happen. So divine is asking you to slow down. Okay, even though they are asking you to take action, but don't take any action in any hustle bustle. All right, Scorpio. Okay, now I'm going to pick 3 cards for you to check what your person thinks about you, what action they are taking towards you, and oh my god, oh my god, and what actions they'll be taking in future. The Lovers. Oh, the most beautiful card. Okay. Scorpio, your person feels about you as a soulmate. They know that you are the one for them. They know that you are meant for them. They know that you guys are meant for each other. Can you see? When you look at each other, you create a heart symbol. A heart symbol. These wings and this bright light says that this is a divine connection. This connection is given by God to you. It's not that you have chosen this person or they have chosen you. This relationship is gifted to you by divine. Okay? The current action from their side towards you is participation. That's what I told you. Your person also wants you to participate in this relationship. Okay, they don't want them to be, indulge in this relationship. Okay, do something, and you are like, okay, I'll do it, or no, I won't do it, or this or that, and blah blah blah. You have your own stories to tell, but they want you to participate in this relationship. See, relationship works when both of you work together. Okay, it's not their own responsibility or duty to take this relationship on a next level. It is a mutual connection. It is a mutual participation. All right, so your person wants you to participate in this relationship. The way they are being devotee, or the way they are, giving time, energy and love or emotion in this relationship, they want you to equally invest in this relationship emotionally. All right, the future potential of this relationship is receptivity. You need to be open. You need to be, open, as in you need to open your heart and mind to receive what universe is giving you. Perhaps you are resisting about something. Perhaps you must be resisting about this person, and this is the reason you must be feeling, okay, now you have to do it, now you have to do it. Universe is giving you signals. Take action, take action, take action. Your person is saying, take action, take action, take action. But until you are not, being receptive about it, nobody can do nothing. All right, so it's completely up to you whether you want this person or not, whether you want this relationship or not, and I feel that you should not lose them. All right, okay. So Scorpio, I feel that some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio in this reading, and fire sign as well in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so Scorpio people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get notifications of all my videos. And thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.